ancestors, the galactic ancestors, the cosmic ancestors. So I was very guided to come out here today to take a walk for the first time in nature in 2 months. My last walk was in January with my partner when he was on leave from Africa. So just breathe and be open to receive these beautiful elemental codes, these source codes. Oya shani na washanatiria wa washanatiria wa shanaya na tori shanina na wanatira na hona. O shanaya toria shanaya shanotoria shanaya wa shanatoria haishanatina wanata. Ay natoria shanatoria shanaya notoria shanitinya tawa shanaya taya shanitia shanatoya shanawa. I notoya shanitiria shanataya shanitiria natua natia nata shanotoria shanatia na. Notoria shanin noto shanaya no shanina notoria shanataya shanatoria nata. Nataria shanatoria shanato nataya shanataya shanatia natawa shanata. Just let those beautiful frequencies and energies land in your field, land in your physical body. See what you see, hear what you hear, feel what you feel, know what you know. Be open to receive whatever you didn't know you were ready to receive today. From the source codes, from the nature spirits, from the ancestors, from the elementals. Breathe, breathe, breathe. Huishanatiria wa shanetu wa nati naya shanawa tenyaya shina hainata wa natiyana. Wa natayishana wa natiria shana wa nata. We are walking with you always, beautiful soul. Always with you, beside you. Washinatiria behind you and in front of you, guiding you along the way. Hashinatiria on this sacred path. Washinatiria on this sacred journey. Washinatiria, washina back to remembrance and back to yourself. Washinaya no tu na 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 ya 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 nata. Hana. Hana. Yashana. Thank you for playing along, co-creating, and enjoy the beautiful rest of your day. We love you. Till next time.